Hey guys, what's up? It's Cheyenne. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I just got a new MacBook Air, the 2020 version with the Touch ID. So I'm super excited. It is long overdue. I'm upgrading from my Chromebook, which I only use for school, and then I use Justice's computer to edit my videos. So now I finally have my own, and I could not be more excited. I worked really hard for this computer, and actually right now they're doing a promo where you get some free AirPods with it. So I got AirPods I think it's only for students, and you get $100 off the computer. So I got this for $8.99, and then I also got free AirPods. Like, how awesome is that? So, and I've been wanting AirPods for the longest time, so now they were included, and I was like, bet I'm gonna get it for sure. Because I was kind of not sure if I needed it right now, but I do have one more semester of school, so I'll be using this one, and then also for my videos and editing and stuff. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing part. So I'm really excited to finally take this out of the box because I've had it at my apartment for I think 2 days already, just sitting on my table. So I really want to get it started and be able to use it and start editing videos again. So here we are. It has this little tab right here, so it's just really easy to open. Ooh. Got it perfect. And then oops. Come on. I want to drop it. Oh my gosh. So yeah, so I got the rose gold color. Is it called rose gold or just gold? I think it's just gold, but this looks pink. Not in this lighting, but to me it looks really pink, so I love it. Oops. And then here's that if you want to see that. So we have the accessories, the cord here, and then the charger. And then this little booklet. This will probably come in handy because I've never had a Mac, so I'm not really too familiar. I've used Justice's, but that's about it. Haven't really dug into it that deep, just used it for my videos. So now I'm taking out this plastic part. This is so fun. I love opening new stuff, and oh my gosh, it's so pink. Okay, I'm sorry about the lighting because it looks gold, but it really does, like, I'm sorry, I just can't show you guys the color. It does look pink for me, but. And then I got this cute accessory on Amazon. I posted it on my LTK page. If you guys are looking for it, it's on there, at Cheyenne Danielle. The link is going to be in the description. If you guys are interested or on the app, make sure you follow me. I have this on there. Super cute. It has peaches on it. So yeah, I haven't opened this yet either. And I apologize for the fire alarm in the background because I know it's really annoying. At least it is for me. So now, time to set this thing up. It's so thin. Just turned on. It is so pretty. So pink. I'm glad I got this color because I thought I was gonna go with the space gray. I think that's what it was. But this one, oh my gosh. Like, pink and purple are my favorite colors. As you can see, purple and then pink. And then, where's my phone? Oh. I'm an idiot. I always do that. I'm filming on it right now. I'm like, where's my phone? But I have the purple.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay. I have a purple iPhone, the new iPhone 11. Love it. So I'm just setting this up. I just chose the language and then choosing the country. Now I have to set up my Wi-Fi. Oh my gosh, there's so many. I don't even know which one it is. I think it's this one. I'm not seeing where the Touch ID is. I guess I'll have to look that up. I guess it's probably on the keyboard, probably, right? Doy. So excited. So I'm just waiting for my Wi-Fi to connect right now. So I'm gonna open this up and put it on and see how it fits. This was only $22 and it comes with a keyboard cover as well. And they have a ton of different options, which I'll show you guys on the screen right now. They are super cute. They have like watercolor ones, and then they have, actually most of the ones I saved were like watercolor ones, but they also have a cute palm tree one. So a lot of choices. I'm having some difficulties with this right now. I don't think I got it. Windows PC. Oh my gosh, there's 2 pieces of plastic. Are you kidding me? I had enough trouble with the first one. Yay, finally. Okay, so here's the first part, and I'm just gonna clip it on. How cute! Oh my gosh, I love it so much. It's so pink. Love it. I'm obsessed. And then we have our keyboard. I was thinking this was gonna be more pink, but it's like white. That's fine. Cute. And then last piece is, this is kind of boring. It's just the bottom. So, boom. I love how whenever you open up a new Apple product, it's just automatically charged and like ready to go. Like this, just open it. Same with these, like fully charged. Like how, it's so nice. And it just like automatically starts setting up for you. So now it's doing my iCloud and stuff. So I just got to the Touch ID part, and it goes right here actually. So I'm gonna set that up right now. It's just so crazy that it can get your fingerprint on this little tiny thing. Like, that is so small. Cool. But has anybody ever like gone on somebody else's phone and used your fingerprint and it's worked? Because it's so weird. It's happened to me before. Like, I don't know, I guess it's a glitch or something, but it works sometimes. Well, I'm just gonna wrap up this video here and just finish up everything later, choose a background and whatnot. So anyway, I'm super happy that I just got this computer. Now I can do all my videos on my own time and not have to wait for Justice to be done with his computer, because he does use it a lot. So I can get more videos out for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching this, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys leave a video request and comments. And also follow me on Instagram, because I'm gonna be doing more Instagram type videos using polls and stuff on my page, on my Instagram story. So if you guys want to be involved in those kind of videos, make sure you follow me on there. Also follow me on my LTK. I have all the products that I buy linked on there for you guys, so including like the case and just everything like clothing, makeup, just current products that I'm using. So make sure you guys follow me on there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!